This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. The French submarine deal and Turnbulls treason. While our Prime Minister's gone to the G20, the media's stirring it up, and all we're hearing is the French, as usual, acting like a bunch of spoilt brats who didn't get their way. As far as we can see, Scott Morrison acted in our country's interests, and it was a business deal. We didn't rape Macron's grandmother. It was a business deal, which happens every day. And yet they're squawking and carrying on like a bunch of spoilt brats. And then to boot, we have ex-Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull, opposition leader Albanese, Julie Bishop and others trying to depose our Prime Minister with their constant whining, trying to get rid of him. And it's treason because they might be going into him, but it's this country that they're putting down. They are supporting the French instead of their own country, and they should be charged with treason. And on top of that, look at the French. They talk about respect and clarity and being honest. Well, look at Mururoa Atoll, the Greenpeace warrior. Look at our support for World War I and World War II. Who owes who? And don't ever forget, there was a story that went round about the French when it comes to wars, and it said their tanks were so unusual because they had 5 reverse gears and 1 forward, and it's shown to be the truth. And yet, here they go, attacking Australia over a business deal. And Turnbull, Albanese, Bishop and all the rest of you should go the way and shut the fuck up. This is Harry Vocal.